So SAVA has an upcoming conference call at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday, September 14th, 2020. So just based on the reaction after the hour, it's quite positive, really. But the thing is, I d- we won't know what the news is until the conference actually came out. It could be bad news, it could be good news. So wait for the news to come out and then react to it. If it's positive news, then it could be a buy. So yeah, and if we were to look at its past history, it has moved in the past. Really, it's a former runner. The the 180 charge doesn't really showing much, but we look at like the 1 year chart. As you can see here, the 1 year chart has shows that in the past, in December 2019, it moved from like $2 to a high of $10, 10.95, and then it dipped. It also moved March from $3 to like $10. So it has a history of moving. It's a former runner. And then if we look at the 3 years chart, the stock when it's a gradual uptrend, it get dumped like really fast. So that shows that it has history of being a pump and dump. I believe so. Uh, like right here, pump and dump, and then right here. So it would it did show that it would be a good swing trade. It would be a good swing trade, but I day trade, so yeah, I'm not very familiar with swing trading there. But if you look at the one chart again, we can see that the move after hour is already approaching the resistance. Yeah, it was approaching the resistance area. If it could break a 450, maybe it could go to 5. And if the news like is really good, it it could possibly went back to 8 and then dip like really fast. But right now it's showing a parabolic. Right now it's showing like is it parabolic? Let's check. 5 minute chart. It could potential uptrend, but it is a stock to look tomorrow. Yeah, and then the second ticker that I was thinking of looking at is AMPE. It was a recent runner previously, as you can see on this 5 day chart. Is it? Yeah, as you can see on this 5 day chart, it's a recent runner with resistance around the $1 area. It's already up after hour. It's up after hour parabolically. So I was thinking maybe on Monday it might dip like very soon, very fast to make it bounce. Yeah, it does have a potential since right now it's like at 80 cents. Potential 20 cents a share is to 40 cents a share if it catch or break $1. Because based on the 1 minute chart, yeah, there there was a high in the past of 128, $124, and then $1 area it's a resistance. It could possibly go up there again, like 20 to 40 cents a share. And then HNCKF was a runner on Friday. It was an all-time high, really, all time. If you look at the 3 year charts, if you look at the 5 year chart, yeah, all-time high. It's let's see, yeah, it's an OTC runners. since I don't see like the Nasdaq and the level two market maker, so OTC runner, it closed pretty strong really. It closed above the VWAP after it broke VWAP. It's coming back up to its high of 145. It closed at like 120, 125. So it closed very close to its high. It's uptrending. So Monday I'm expecting it to be something like similar to JCP NQ, like spike and then like just crash. Since it's an OTC, so it could possibly morning panic and then have a very good bounce. That's possible. Um, Another stock that I'm planning to look at is HJLI. So it's another stock that was moving like Friday afternoon. However, just based on its history, based on its history, when it's make parabolic move, it tends to crash like very quickly. So yeah, it's a quick mover based on its fo- previous history. It's a quick mover. Still, it's a former runner. So like just like just look at here. Highest volume, like 300 million shares traded a day. It went from 20 cents to 80 cents. And then it dipped like very quickly to like 39 cents. So that's like a 50% dips. So recent runner, but yeah, don't expect it to like continue if it make a parabolic move. But trading day price actions, it could probably present some good opportunities. And then I'll also be looking at YTEN, the ticker YTEN. Even though I made a loss here on Thursday, it's on the 5-day chart. It's looking like it's coming back up from its low. So from $6, it bounced $6, and it's coming higher. It look like it. If it could break like the Sun 50 area, it could potentially go to $8. And if it could go higher, and it could go higher if there's like a good news, maybe the $9 area, and then possible short squeeze. Yeah, recent runners will run again. In the past, it did went from $6 to $14, and then from $5 to $10. So it's a former runner, but each spike is followed by a dip. So it's a very volatile stocks. Yeah, and those will be what I'm planning to watch for Monday. And that'll be all.